Hey, my name is Nick Bingham. Today we're in Shelley, Idaho, about to boom truck this spa into a room. So come with us.
We've got a pretty big window that we're going to have to go through. So what we'll use the machine for is to lift it up, get it up above the window, and then we've got quite a few guys that'll be able to hopefully kind of catch it as it comes through the window, and then we'll just start getting it installed. So hopefully we can help them get through the gate, and then we'll be good to go. Got it in a lot easier than we thought it was going to be. Wasn't really a tight fit like we thought. I mean, we have like 8 guys here, so we're able to get it in pretty easy, and then now they're just gonna slide it into place, get it all hooked up, start filling it while the window guys start getting the window put in, and then we'll get the customer chilling in some hot water soon.